What's going on, guys? Austin here with TruckVault, and in this video we're going to be talking about the in-drawer dividers. Now, we all stand to benefit from more organization and efficiency in our vehicle, and these in-drawer dividers will give you just that. They actually allow you to even just have that much more customization in the way you want to break down that big space into smaller little segments so you can have more efficiency. All of our in-drawer dividers are 3/4 inch MDO board, which is the same materials we're using to build our truck vaults with. It's covered with our abrasion resistant carpet, which will match whichever vault you get, whichever color you choose. And it has a nice rubber T-molding finish on the outside, which will help with wear and tear, as well as protecting your gear as you're putting it in and moving it around. Your mounting brackets are very easy to install and intuitive to use. All you need to do is line up where you want your divider to go in your drawer system. Each, the top and the bottom, screw in place with a single screw. Now, that doesn't make them permanent. That will fix them in there until you unscrew them, decide that you need to move them around, giving you full customization of how you use your truck vault. We also provide you with these divider labels and these fast edge adhesive tags that you can just change out at any time and mark on there with a Sharpie or a dry erase marker and help you to quickly identify any of the contents in your truck vault. Our in-drawer dividers are included in your purchase of a truck vault, but you do have the option to opt out online. We feel confident that with your use of our in-drawer dividers that you'll find efficiency and organization easier than ever, and you can find our in-drawer dividers and all of our other accessories over at TruckVault.com.